Shalom, shalom, shalom. Yahweh Shem Yahushua Barakadam. Hey, Camp Life, Israelite Life, you know how we doing it, man. It's the Shabbat. We on the way to send out the word, to the 12 tribes scattered abroad. We pray that y'all are blessed,
Tell me the location.
Yeah, we're going to Greensboro, North Carolina, LeBauer Park. We're always there every Shabbat at 2 o'clock, every Saturday. And, we working and laboring to bring our people into the truth, man. That's all. Hey, y'all need to stop bashing camp so hard, right? Because let me tell you something. As a person who's been a part of multiple different Israelite communities, when you go to these different Israelite communities, they bash camps a lot. Every time I go to one, they bash camps. But when we go to camp, they don't bash you. They're not worried about what you're doing, right? They commend you for trying to keep the law, statutes, and commandments in your own way. So we need to band together as a community of people, as a nation. Y'all want to say shalom?
Yes. Shalom.
That's right.
Shalom, guys. Hopefully y'all are doing good. We are good in good spirits. You're traveling, it's about an hour drive. Hour 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Drive. Left some stuff, but we still in this thing, So and we ain't going nowhere. But no, for real. What was I gonna say? Hopefully y'all doing well. Shabbat shalom. I don't think we said that, but we are. Passover was very, very good. Passover was really, really good. We enjoyed ourselves. Hopefully y'all did as well. Try to get back in the swing of things of vlogging and stuff like that. Just a lot. Life has been going on with us, but everything's good. Like my mother passed or whatever, so it was a lot trying to get back into the swing of things or whatever of the YouTube thing. But a lot of y'all, I talked to y'all on Instagram, and people just encouraging me to get back out there and stuff. Now I be on YouTube, I watch YouTube and stuff, and I'm like, dang, like my kids and my husband, he'll be like, we need to get back out there and stuff, because it's still not a lot of Israelite content out,
Right.
like family vloggers and stuff, because we watch other people, black people that aren't Israelites. Well, they are Israelites, but they don't know.
But they don't know it. Right.
So most how well we're able to just stay in the spirit and keep putting up a little bit of some content. Life gets busy and things happen, but just enduring or whatever. So yeah, I was gonna say something else and I can't remember what it was, but we're actually getting ready to get out of the car soon, and I will try to vlog a little bit of maybe what they're saying, because something depends on the atmosphere when we get up here, how what's going on and everything. But anyways, I hope y'all are having a good day, and we will get back on here
A little bit.
As far as the post, there always is going to be a brother over there. There's always going to be a brother over here. There's going to be the cameraman. And you're always going to have two people. Alright? You don't leave your post unless you alleviated of your post. And while you're not teaching,
You are not those things. You are actually the people that the Bible speaks about. You are the people that the Bible records, and the Bible calls you an Israelite.
right?
All right? And guess what? You are not a Mexican, right? There is no such thing as a Mexican. You are a person who lived in the land of Mexico, and you lost your heritage due to the white conquistadors and the slave masters who came and changed your culture, right? Catholicism was not your culture. The same way that being a Baptist or being a Pentecostal was not the so-called black man's culture. The Native American culture here in America was not to own land on a reservation. That was not their culture. They had a thriving culture. right? They took care of the land. They lived off the land. They had community. They loved their people. And the time came that white people came and they actually opened up this thing called the Carlisle School. You gotta Google this. It's called the Carlisle School. The Carlisle School was a boarding school that they took Native American children from their parents and separated them and put them in a boarding school and taught them how to be civilized. That's the term they use. And they taught them how to act like white people. Go ahead.
The book of Jeremiah, chapter 17, verse 4. And thou, even thyself, shalt discontinue from thine heritage that I gave. Leviticus 11, verse 9. These shall ye eat of all.
On the spot, we just learned it. Do you eat shrimp?
Say shalom.
Hi.
I ended up getting this for $5.25 at Five Below, because I needed one. It's the 10-foot one. I'll let y'all know if I like it or not, if it actually works. And I ended up getting, I love these. Got these for $2. This is the Dragon's Blood. And then I ended up getting Sandalwood. Sandalwood is my absolute favorite. And I got this one as well. And I also ended up getting these little sandals right here, $4 or $5. Some little everyday, little cute sandals I'm able to slide on and, you know, go on with any little outfit or whatever. Hopefully, I want to try to get like an outfit of the day video. I might end up recording one either today or something. I don't know, just to get more content out there. So, yes, guys, it's another lovely day, 87 degrees. We're loving it. My husband's actually on his lunch break. And like the stores is like 4 or 5 minutes away from my house. So just enjoying the weather once again. So I'll pray to the Most High for that. Got anything to say? He said, no. What you was writing today? What you had to do for school?
I was writing a story on
Put your shirt up, girl.
like my hobbies and stuff that I like to do.
Yeah. Well, your hobbies, but not really your hobbies, but what you want to do.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah. And what was it? What do you want to do? Tell them.
Well, I like music. I like playing instruments. I like writing music. I like recording it, mixing it. That's what I do with my music. That's mostly what I do with my free time.
Yeah.
Like I make beats and stuff for my beat machines.
Right. You got a verse for them? You gonna rap a verse real quick for them?
A verse. Okay, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Let me think.
Come on.
Okay.
See, look, you on spot. He on spot. He ain't got nothing.
I'll get one later after. Okay.
Nope. Go ahead. What you got? Give us a verse of something.
All right. I got one. I just rap it over. All right.
Go ahead.
I'm just a servant to my Father up in heaven. We unleavened. There is 7 candlesticks around the table with the brethren. This is prophecy. We in captivity. I'm sitting right, and this is right here where the lynchers be. I pray to Yah that He opens your eyes so you can see. I got 2 witnesses, Yahweh Shai and prophecy. I pray to Yah that He take us out of this captivity. Please God deliver me. We need the washing of the water by the word. It's so swift as the eagle, like a bird. They fool us with every trick and it's absurd. It's a straight and never path, brother. Don't hit the curb. I can heal you in my hand. I can kill you with the sword. I don't serve any other God. Cause you're my one and my Lord. If we gonna be together, gotta be on one accord. First fruits come and hope you got something store or your offering
Will be ignored. Shalom, guys. So I tried to do this intro a couple of times, but anyways, I hope that you guys are doing very well. Today, we're just doing Sabbath prep cleaning early. So today's Wednesday. I had something that I wanted to say. Make sure you don't take anybody for granted, nothing for granted. Call your moms, your dads, your grandparents, and tell them that you love them and you care about them. Okay? Tell them that they're important. We know the folly days getting ready to come up, but those folly days, They make you do something. They make you tell this person is on this particular day. But should be something that we should be doing all the time. Calling, texting, being involved in our families' lives. Be present. I wanted to show you guys what my babies did for their 90-year-old great grandma. Alright, so these are the pictures that the kids end up drawing for their grandmother. So sweet. Good job.
Thanks. Yeah, I got more.
You got music notes?
Yeah, I got right here. I got right here. And then I got right here.
Right. Got it from where? Where Daddy bought that for you at?
It's at Target.
At Target, right. Hey, y'all, today has been such a long, stressful day. Just trying to stay in the spirit. In here listening to Kingdom Come by my sister Kalea. Y'all go follow her. Her music is awesome. This song keeps me in spirits. Because today has been a long day. From earlier today, kids get on my nerves. Anxiety was on 10. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Today was a crazy day. But stay in high spirits. I hope y'all had a good day today. Stay in the spirit. Stay in the spirit. Stay in the spirit.
A virtuous wife, your biggest supporter. I won't get out of line. Your possession, you get. I'll learn from you. Mother at home, teach the kids.
Marco, Yawa, Shata, the water, Aman. All praise to the Most High. Hey, look, we appreciate y'all for coming out. All right, hey, women and children and guests eat first.
Shalom, shalom. Sustenance feast. What feast is it? No more. Period. If you're eating, y'all, rubbing good. Yes, you got beans. What else? We eat. And we eat good? Yeah. We eat good. Y'all got lime, jerk burger, macaroni, chicken, mashed potatoes. So yeah, we eat good, y'all. We eat real good. We got Israel over here.
Meditate all day,
Yeah, this food's
all
good.
day and all week.